As we just mentioned, Kellyanne will speak at today's March for Life anti-abortion rally in Washington. Vice President Mike Pence also expected to address the gathering, and President Trump is expected to call into the rally. Marchers will then walk 1.5 miles to the Supreme Court. Jan Crawford is outside the court to show us why this year's march carries extra significance. Jan, good morning.
Well, good morning. So when the thousands of marchers arrive here later today, they'll be protesting that 1973 court decision that the Constitution guarantees a woman's right to an abortion. But for a prospective nominee to this court, taking that position publicly at any point in their lives can be disqualifying. Every year since Roe versus Wade, they've come to protest.
We'll pick a truly great Supreme Court justice.
Now, with President Trump filling a Supreme Court vacancy, anti-abortion advocates hope he will nominate a justice like the late Antonin Scalia, who believed Roe should be overturned.
The justices that I'm going to appoint will be pro-life.
But for Federal Appeals Court Judge William Pryor, outspoken opposition to abortion as Alabama's Attorney General has pushed him to the bottom of Mr. Trump's shortlist.
Now, you've said on several occasions, that Roe v. Wade is, quote, the worst abomination of the history of constitutional law. A, do you believe that as of right now?
I do.
Sources tell CBS News Pryor's nomination is unlikely after Senate Republicans warned about a repeat of his 2003 appeals court confirmation fight.
I believe that not only is the case unsupported by the text and structure of the Constitution, but it has led to a morally wrong result. It has led to the slaughter of millions of innocent unborn children. That's my personal belief.
For 2 years, Democrats blocked Pryor's confirmation.
If you stake out a pro-life position, many in Washington view that as an automatic disqualifier.
Attorney Jay Sekulow is an expert on religious liberty.
It doesn't work the other way around. If you take a pro-choice position, no one says anything.
Trump is now focused on another judge with a working-class background, Thomas Hardiman. As a former attorney, Hardiman has been less vocal about his personal views.
Our role as judges is to interpret the law.
Now, still on the very short list is Judge Neil Gorsuch. But with Justice Anthony Kennedy likely to retire soon, one possibility is that Gorsuch would be the nominee for that seat. But either way, I mean, for the protesters who are going to be coming here later today, a big question will be why, if you've ever spoken out about abortion, you could be automatically knocked out of the running for the court. Gail?
All right, that is a very good question. Thank you very much, Jan.